Why does your scanner show the P0805 engine code? What does it mean? P0805 is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch position sensor A circuit malfunction. It indicates that the ECM has detected a problem with the clutch position sensor in a manual transmission vehicle. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty clutch position sensor. Wiring issues. Defective starter solenoid. Improperly adjusted or damaged switch. TCM or PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mercedes, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.